Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Trust you're having a wonderful day. In this video I'll be teaching you guys how to do a braided high bun. So I'm going to start by putting a rubber band on the hair. Next up, I'll be braiding the leftover hair. I actually already have a video that has the same process, because apart from the styling with the extension, that's the only thing that's different. So I'm going to be folding the hair I just braided and securing it down with a bobby pin before I start putting my extensions. So guys, I'm going to keep going around with my extensions and I'll be securing it with bobby pins. So I'll go around till I'm done securing all the weave on. I have two extensions for this particular look. I'll be combing out my extensions to ensure that it's smooth. Then I'll be using my donut bun. I'll put it down and secure it with some bobby pins to make sure it's firm and it doesn't fall or it isn't shaky. So guys, I'm going to be braiding in sections. I'm going to pick out the section, comb it out before I start braiding, and when I'm almost done braiding or halfway through, I'm going to pull it out a bit. Just keep watching so that you don't miss any step. I'm going to pull it out before I use my bobby pins to secure it over the bun. When I'm done pulling out, I'm going to secure with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to take the braid all the way back down and secure it again so that the hair can go round. I'm also going to be repeating the whole process I did for the first one on the rest of the weave on, just that I'm going to be adding the leftover extensions from the already braided one. I'll comb it out and join it with this new one, and then repeat the same process all over again. So keep watching. So guys, this hairstyle can both pass as a traditional hairstyle or a white wedding hairstyle. All you need to change is your accessories. If you use white accessories, it becomes a white bridal hairstyle. If you use traditional accessories, it becomes a traditional hairstyle. It doesn't select. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's finally come to an end. If you found my video helpful, please let me know what you think in my comment section below. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you in my next video.